Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back and let's make some fried fish. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fried fish. If you can't seem to get that fried fish right, today I'm going to show you my tricks and tips on how to make that perfect fried fish. So I have here some red snapper. It's already scaled and cut. I also rinse the fish with some vinegar just to reduce the rawness from it. So these are some perfect size fish. So what I'm going to be doing next is to season the fish. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So I'm going to slice the fish in half. So depending on your personal preference, if you like your fish a whole, you can just leave it as is, or if you'd also like to slice it in half, so be it. So I'm going to slice the fish in half. I am really a tail person. I don't really like the fish head, but comment below guys and let me know what part of the fish do you enjoy. If you like the fish head or if you like the tail. So back then I never really know how to fry fish. I can remember frying fish. The last time I remember frying fish, I literally scooped the fish out of the frying pot with a spoon because I didn't know the tips and I didn't know the tricks on how to fry fish. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve some perfectly fried fish. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. To season the fish, I'm going to be using some Maggi all-purpose season. If you have fish season, you can go ahead and use your fish season. I'm also going to sprinkle some salt, and afterwards I'm going to add my blended green season. So guys, at this stage you can add just your regular fish or all-purpose season, or you can just add the blended green season, either or. So any one of them you'd like to add, it's up to you. But I personally like to add both, right? So I'm just going to distribute the season over the fish, massage everything, and then I'm going to put it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Tip number one, you want to ensure that whenever you're frying fish, the frying pan and the oil is very hot. So you don't want to add your fish to a room temperature pot or a room temperature oil. That's not going to work. You want to ensure that the pot and the oil is very hot before adding the fish to the frying pan, right? Tip number two, you want to ensure that you pat dry the fish to remove the excess water from the fish because you don't want the water to splash into the hot oil and then it can burn. You don't want that. So you don't want the oil to burn your skin. So you ensure that you pat dry to remove the excess water. Tip number three, you also want to ensure that you don't put a lot of seasoning on your fish like onion and scallion and all of those. No, because those seasons can also burn the fish fast. So you want to ensure that you add limited amount of vegetable seasoning to your frying fish. If you want to add a powder season, that's perfectly fine. So you just limit it to your powdered season. And my final tip to you, once you're frying your fish, please monitor the fish and don't let the fish burn because fish is just like frying ripe plantain. The moment you turn, the moment the fish burn up, and you don't want that, right? We don't want that, right? Because remember, you're frying the fish at a very high temperature, so you want to ensure that you closely monitor your fish while frying. And for all the chefs out there, if you have any tips or any tricks, you can comment below and let us all learn those tips and tricks. So comment below guys and share your tips and tricks on how to make that perfect fry fish. So once your oil and your frying pan is hot, then this is how your fish should look or somewhat similar. So as you can see, I'm gliding the fish around in the frying pan. Very easy because we ensure that the oil and the frying pan is hot, right? So if the oil is cold or not very hot, then the fish is going to stick to the frying pan, and we don't want that. You don't want to scoop your fish from the frying pan. And that is it guys. Look at our perfect fried fish. Comment below and let me know if this video was informative, and also give the video a thumbs up if you learned something. So this is one set of the fried fish. We're going to repeat the process until we're done. So you want to ensure that you also maintain this temperature throughout. You just want to ensure that you constantly monitor your fish while it is frying. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it was also informative. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. And this is the final product, our fried fish. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.